Hello student. So in today class we'll be doing another method of factorization, and this method is called regrouping terms. To remind again, we have learned that there are three methods in order to do the factorization, and those three methods are common factors, regrouping terms, and also using standard identities. So today we'll go with the second method, which is called regrouping terms. In order to do this, I will go directly with exercise 7.1. Okay, and in the question 2, all right, in the question 2, you'll find that uh, we have this question called factorize the following expression using regrouping terms. Okay, so what is this regrouping terms? So let's have a look in our question number B. I'll do for you the number B. And this question is written like a square minus 3ac minus 2ab plus 6bc. So you'll find here that in this question we have four terms. We have an expression of four terms. So in our solution, how to do this factorization? So you see, directly we cannot take the common factors. Like you'll find in this expression, there are none of the factors which is common in all the four terms. So in that case, we will be applying first the regrouping method. And how to do this? All right, let's see in the next part. You'll find here that I have grouped here the first and the second term in one bracket, and the third and the fourth term in another bracket. When we do this grouping, you have to take care a very important part, that is the sign. Okay, so if you have a look here, okay, on the screen, you'll find that your a square minus 3ac, okay, which is here, okay, in the bracket, you'll find that the sign does not change. Okay, but in this case, in the second group, you'll find that your plus, this one, okay, has changed to minus. Why? It is like this. This is your minus. So you have to first multiply the minus with the plus. So minus into plus, it is minus. All right. So that is the reason the sign change. In order to do this, it means that when you open the bracket once again, then minus into minus, again it will become plus. Okay, so that is the reason the sign change after we group them. All right, okay. So in the second, in the next part, you'll find that we have to do the splitting of each term in this way. Like you'll find your a square, you can write a into a. All right, your 3ac, you can again split into the factors like 3 into a into c, and for 2ab you can write 2 into a into b, and for 6bc, yes, 6 can be again factorized into 2 into 3, which is 6, and then into b into c. So from the first group, you have to find out which is your common factors. Now we will be applying our common factors here. After grouping, we will be applying our common factor. So you'll find that here we have this a, all right, and then this another a, which is common. So we can take that one out. After that, in the second group, the 2 is common, all right, okay. Then after that, yes, we have got b, which is common, so we can take that one out also. Okay, so let's see what happens if we take it out. So you'll find that your a will be taken out and put here. So what is left here is a, then after that minus, then after that 3, and the c, which is 3c. All right, in the second group, your 2 and b can be taken out here, 2b, all right, and what is left now is a, which is written here a. After that, you'll have 3 and c, which is 3c. Okay, so we are left with 3c from the second group. After doing this, now we are still not yet complete, okay, because it is not yet a factorization here. So what we do again, we have to do grouping again. Okay, so you'll find in the second part, we have to group once again the whole thing, okay, in one group, okay, as you have seen on the screen. When we group in this way, you'll find that your a minus 3c, okay, is the same in this part and in this part. That means it is common. So if it is common, we can take it out. And when we take it out, you'll find that a minus 3c we can write here, okay? And what is left actually, okay, in this whole bracket, what is left is your a, okay, and this 2b, okay? So we can write a minus 2b in this second bracket. So in this way, you'll find that your a minus 3c and a minus 2b become the two factor, okay, of the expression a square minus 3ac minus 2ab plus 6bc. So that means our a minus 3c and a minus 2b are the two factors. So this way we have done our factorization.